There's a hot new trend on YouTube that's got everyone's attention. YouTubers are claiming you can make $30 every 10 minutes just by using Google Translate. If you do the math, that adds up to a staggering $900 a day if you put in just 4 hours of work. And here's the best part. They say it's completely free to get started. All you need is a PayPal account to cash out your earnings, making this opportunity available to anyone, anywhere in the world. This idea is spreading like wildfire, with countless YouTubers jumping on the bandwagon. One video has racked up over 4.3 million views, while another has racked up 2 million views. Yet another has 1.1 million views. Clearly, this concept has captured a lot of attention, and it seems like everyone is eager to find out if it actually works. So, let's jump in and explore this for ourselves. To find out, I'm going to follow the steps these YouTubers are talking about and see just how much we can make from this. Stick with me as I dive deeper into this trend and uncover the secrets to turning Google Translate into a money-making machine. The first step is to head over to translate.google.com. Google Translate is a free tool that allows you to translate text between countless languages. It's simple to use. Just select the languages you want to translate between, type in your text, and like magic, the translation appears in the adjacent box. But simply translating text won't put cash in our pocket. To start making real money, I need to sign up for a site called CPA Grip. This platform is where the real action happens. First, let's head over to CPA Grip and click on the Register tab. After filling in some basic details like my name and email, I sign up and log in, which takes me straight to my dashboard. This is where things get exciting. Next, let's go to the Payment Center to set up how I want to receive my money. CPA Grip offers several payment methods, including PayPal, international bank transfers through Payoneer, and ACH transfers for those in the US. However, there's a catch. I need at least $50 in my account before I can withdraw any earnings. It's all laid out clearly on the platform. With the payment setup complete, let's return to the dashboard. One of the features I find interesting is the public chat area, where other users share their earnings and experiences. For instance, here is a user named 2 Years who has pulled in over $138,000 from 61,000 leads. Then there's Makopi, who's earned $21,000 from 15,900 leads. Another user, Yazan, has racked up over $6,200 with around 12,000 leads, and Malay has made $8,000 from just 4,000 leads. This is mind-blowing. It seems like a gold mine waiting to be tapped. We will get to find out for ourselves. Now here's the plan. I'm going to promote different offers by getting special links. To find these offers, I head to the Offer Tools section, then My Offers, where I can see what's available. Each offer lists its payout amount, so naturally, we will focus on the ones with the highest payouts. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot. Let's adjust the filter settings. By default, the offers display based on the country of my IP address. But I remember a tip from the YouTube guide. It's better to target the highest paying countries for bigger earnings. So, let's search for the countries with the highest payouts. To do that, I select all countries. Then click on Payout to filter the offers from highest to lowest. The top country turns out to be Norway, with an offer of $29.09. The second highest is the Netherlands at $27.38. Since the Netherlands offer looks promising, I decide to go with that one. Let's click on the offer, but everything is written in Dutch, a language I don't understand. This is where Google Translate comes in handy, so I need to translate the text to English so I can understand what it says. I copy the text, head over to Google Translate, select Dutch as the language, and paste it in. The translation reveals that it says, "Check out now. Enter your details to get started." Now that I understand the message, I save it in a Google document. Next, I return to the offer and copy my unique offer link. I paste this link into the same Google Doc. To make the link more user-friendly, we need to shorten it. To do this, let's search for a URL shortener on Google. Next, I will select t.ly. I paste my offer link into the tool, then click Shorten the URL, and in just a few seconds, I get a shortened link for my offer. I copy this and save it in my Google document as well. With everything in place, I'm ready to start promoting my offer and hopefully start earning. Now the big question is, how do I get people to click on my link so I can start earning? Following the original method from the YouTube guides, I discover that even without a big social media following, I can still drive traffic to my link. One option they suggest suggest is using a site called Traffic Ad Bar, which can help bring visitors to my link and boost my clicks. They even promise to send up to 1,022 visitors to my site every 3 days. And the best part? It's completely free. So let's head over to Traffic Ad Bar to create an account. The process is quick. It took me less than 2 minutes to sign up and get verified. Once I'm in, the site asks me when I'd like to receive my daily bonus. Let's choose 6 o'clock. Next, it's time to add my offer link. I go back to my Google document where I saved the shortened URL and then paste it into Traffic Ad Bar. After that, I click the Add a Website button. This brings up a form that needs to be filled out. For the title of my ad, let's return to CPA Grip and copy the first bit of text in Dutch from my offer. I paste this into the title field. Then, for ad line 1, I go back and copy the second sentence from the offer and paste it into that field. Now there's a field for ad line 2, but I realize that my offer page doesn't have any more text. What should I do? I decide to split the existing text into 2 parts so I can use one for ad line 1 and the other for ad line 2. The original statement is, enter your details now to get started. I adjust it by putting enter your details in ad line 1 and get started now in ad line 2. Since the offer is in Dutch, I need to translate these phrases back into Dutch using Google Translate. I copy the phrase, enter your details. Head over to Google Translate and get the Dutch translation. I then paste this into ad line 1. I repeat the process with get started now for ad line 2. The next step asks for the language of my ad and website, so I select Dutch. I then set the campaign dates from today for the next 7 days. After filling everything out, I click Save. But there's a hiccup. The system throws an error saying I can't use an exclamation mark in the title. No problem. I scroll back up, remove the exclamation mark, and hit Save again. This time, it's successful. A new window pops up, asking me to read through a few pages, which they say will take about 2 minutes. I figure if they're going to promote my ad for free, spending a couple of minutes on this is a small price to pay. So I did go through the pages, answered the questions, and finally, let's click to complete the process. Now that everything is set up, my ad is live and ready to go. All that's left is to wait for the next 2 to 3 days and check back to see if the money starts coming in. That's what the original YouTube video promised, and I'm curious to see if it's true. I'm really excited to find out how many clicks and hopefully leads I'll get over the next few days. I'm really committed to testing out this method to see if it lives up to the hype and how much I can actually earn. I'll be checking in regularly and will update you all on how it goes. Stay tuned to find out if this really works and if it's as profitable as promised. Okay, now I have an update. After 3 days, I logged into my Traffic Ad Bar dashboard to check how much I've earned. On the left side, it showed my balance, but guess what? It's still 0. I scrolled down and noticed that there were no clicks at all. To dig deeper, I clicked on the Advertise section and scrolled down. That's when I saw the problem. It said, suspended. Unfortunately, we do not accept links from this website. This was a big surprise because the original YouTube video I watched recommended Traffic Ad Bar as the best place to link your offers and earn money through clicks. But instead, Traffic Ad Bar blocked and suspended my offer, which means I couldn't earn anything. I even tried using the direct link from my offer, thinking that maybe the issue was because I had shortened the URL. But as you can see, even the direct URL got suspended. The site that's supposed to send us traffic to make money won't accept any links from the CPA Grip website. So now I'm left wondering, was the original YouTube video misleading? Or did I miss something important? Let me know in the comments below if you had a different experience, or if you have any tips. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss out our future updates.